Hey, have you been on the hunt for a scanner that can actually keep up with modern car repairs without breaking the bank? I mean, between all the new protocols and ECU coding requirements, it's tough to find something reliable that doesn't cost a fortune. Well, I've been testing the Launch X431 PRO3 Plus Elite for a few weeks now, and honestly, it might be exactly what you're looking for. The link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, this thing runs Android 10, which is a big deal because it means the interface is smooth and responsive. I've used cheaper scanners that lag or crash, but the PRO3 Plus Elite handles everything without a hiccup. Plus, it's got J2534 ECU protocol support, which is essential for programming and coding on newer vehicles. I tried it on a 2023 model with some complex ECU updates, and it worked flawlessly, no errors, no delays. This is huge for anyone who works on modern cars, because let's face it, the ECU is the brain of the vehicle, and being able to communicate with it effectively is crucial. Another standout feature is the topology mapping. Instead of digging through endless menus, you get a visual layout of the car's systems. It's super helpful when you're trying to pinpoint where a communication issue is happening. I used it on a customer's car with a weird ABS fault, and within minutes, I could see exactly which module was causing the problem. Saved me a ton of time and guesswork. I mean, think about it when you're dealing with a complex system like ABS, you don't want to be scrolling through pages of codes and menus trying to find the issue. The topology mapping gives you a clear picture of what's going on, and that's incredibly valuable. The bidirectional control is a game saver too. You can send commands directly to components like the fuel pump or injectors to test them in real time. I had a car where the fuel pump wasn't priming, and with the PRO3 Plus, I could trigger it manually to confirm it was working. No need to pull the tank or guess. Just a quick test and you know for sure. This kind of functionality is huge for diagnostic work, because it lets you isolate issues quickly and accurately. And let's not forget the time it saves. When you can test components in real time, you're not wasting hours trying to figure out what's going on. ECU coding is another area where this scanner shines. I've used it to recode keys, adjust settings, and even update firmware on a few different makes. The process is straightforward, and the instructions are clear. I did a VW Passat recently where the immobilizer needed a fresh code, and the scanner guided me through it step by step. No headaches, no extra tools required. The nice thing about the PRO3 Plus is that it walks you through the process, so you don't need to be an expert coder to get the job done. And the best part is, it's not just limited to simple coding tasks. You can do some pretty advanced stuff with this scanner. They've also included over 60 hot services, which cover everything from oil resets to DPF regeneration. I've used the oil reset on a few European cars, and it's as simple as selecting the service and following the prompts. No more fumbling with generic reset procedures that don't always work. These hot services are a huge time saver, because they let you perform common tasks quickly and easily. And the best part is, they are all included with the scanner, so you don't need to pay extra for them. Compatibility is another big win. This scanner covers a massive range of vehicles, from older models to the latest 2026 specs. I've tested it on everything from a 2005 Toyota to a brand new Ford, and it handled all of them without any issues. The software updates are also included for 2 years, so you're not stuck with outdated info after a few months. This is a big deal, because the automotive industry is constantly evolving, and you need a scanner that can keep up. With the PRO3 Plus, you can be confident that you'll be able to work on the latest vehicles, without having to worry about compatibility issues. Now, it's not perfect. The setup process can be a little involved if you're not familiar with Android devices. You'll need to install the launch software, and there's a bit of a learning curve if you've never used one of these before. But trust me, it's worth it. The scanner comes with a pretty comprehensive manual, and there are plenty of online resources available if you get stuck. So, if you're tired of scanners that promise a lot but deliver little, the Launch X431 PRO3 Plus Elite is worth a serious look. It's a reliable, fast, and feature-packed tool that's designed to help you get the job done without breaking the bank. And with its impressive range of features, compatibility, and real-world performance, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their diagnostic game. So, if you're ready to take your diagnostic work to the next level, check out the Launch X431 PRO3 Plus Elite, links below.